G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a very bad day for a McLaren dealer somewhere. An Artura, which is a hybrid, as you know, was out on a test drive and it spontaneously self-immolated. As you can see from this video, it is very painful to watch. And wow, it's completely alight. Holy moly.
I'm scared now.
And completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. Specialists needed to dispose of the vehicle's battery. Yep, that's true. Okay, I think we've seen enough of that. Still, it's another nail in the coffin of EVs right now. People are really starting to become very skeptical of the safety of these cars, not just on the road like this, but in car parks or underground car parks under apartment blocks, all sorts of things. We just don't have the technology yet to make these things, you know, as safe as they need to be. So there we go. Anyway, that's just a quick one. Thanks very much for watching. As always, if you've got any tips, simon@mguy.tv, or hit me up on Instagram, mguy.tv. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.